What is a property management system? PMS Software Unveiled. Ever dreamt of owning a rental empire without the endless paperwork and late-night calls? Enter the realm of the property management system, PMS, your digital partner in crime for streamlining rental operations and achieving landlord zen. So, what exactly is a PMS? Imagine a bustling beehive humming with activity. Tenants buzz in and out, rent payments flit around, maintenance requests pop up like buzzing wings. A PMS is your queen bee, keeping everything organized and efficient. It's a software platform that centralizes all aspects of managing your rental properties, from tenant screening and lease agreements to rent collection and maintenance scheduling. But wait, there's more. A good PMS is like a Swiss Army knife for landlords, packing an arsenal of features. Reservation magic: manage bookings seamlessly, set dynamic pricing, and synchronize calendars across listing platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com. No more double bookings or calendar Tetris. Financial finesse: track rent payments, automate late fees, and generate financial reports with a click. Say goodbye to spreadsheets and Excel tiers. Communication central: connect with tenants effortlessly through email, text, or even a built-in resident portal. No more playing phone tag or deciphering cryptic voicemail messages. Maintenance marvel: streamline repair requests, assign tasks to vendors, and track progress from one central hub. Leaky faucets and flickering lights will tremble before your organized might. Guest Glee guarantee: offer self-check-in kiosks, manage digital door locks, and personalize guest experiences with automated welcome messages. Happy tenants, happy landlord. But is a PMS worth the buzz? Absolutely. Consider this. Save time and money, automate tasks, reduce errors, and streamline communication, freeing up your precious time and energy, and maybe even sanity, for bigger fish. Boost income: dynamic pricing, efficient rent collection, and fewer vacancies mean more money in your pocket. Cha-ching! Attract and retain tenants, offer a professional and convenient experience, making your property stand out from the crowd. Happy tenants stay longer, saving you the hassle and cost of frequent turnover. Gain valuable insights, analyze data on occupancy rates, tenant demographics, and repair trends to make informed decisions and optimize your rental strategy. Knowledge is power, my friend. With so many PMS options out there, where do you begin? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In the next part of this video series, we'll dive into the exciting world of choosing the right PMS for your needs, comparing features, pricing, and ease of use. Stay tuned. Remember, a PMS isn't just software, it's a strategic partner. So, unlock the power of digital landlord tools, embrace the organized chaos, and watch your rental empire soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more property management magic.